Canvas recently announced that they're going to be getting rid of the current content editor. That is the menu of items that you see in multiple different places in Canvas, and they're going to replace it with the brand new rich content editor. I think this is a great upgrade, and I just wanted to take you through some of the changes just in case you're not familiar. For most of its part, there are your typical items you can edit. You can change the text color and so on, but when you start to get over into these items, you'll see where the advantage is. So for instance, the links, when you do an external link now, you get a nice big box there, and you can put the text and then the link you want to add to your course. But when you see course links, this is a much cleaner, easier to use menu, and you'll see that you can add links to not only your external items, but also you can go to your files and pick items that you want to add to your course from there. So that's a really big upgrade. If you want to add images, you'll notice that there's the upload. The upload has been cleaned up a ton, so now you're just clicking and grabbing your file. You don't have to put a whole bunch of different information in before, like you did. The other feature on this part is that you can look at your course images. These are things that are in your course already or that you've updated. That will bring in a list of the images that you've updated, and they'll have a nice thumbnail. And then to add them, you can just click and it'll add it over here in your box. And then you can close out of that. And then you can click, of course, and make these smaller or larger depending on how you want to do it. So big upgrade on the images. The next button allows you to upload media that you want to add to your class, or a link, and these will go directly to your user files. And of course, if you have files already there, you'll see them. Much like all the other menus, you can add documents. You can upload a document directly. You simply click it, hit submit, and the document goes right there. It's moved into your files. And then of course you can look at your user documents or course documents to add those to your course. One tip is when you add these, when you highlight that, if you were to hit the return button, you'll just keep adding the file. So what you want to do is click out of there before you hit return, and then you can add a different file. The button to add your ARC is right here. Items for your Google Drive LTI, that'll open up this window right here. And then if you're used to using any external tools, they've kind of been hidden in here under apps. So if you click on that, you'll see probably just the Google Drive app, but as you click on View All, if you pick any of these that are available, say you use the YouTube one, that's going to come up in this way. So the YouTube feature has been updated too, so you can just basically search a item, and you'll see you get different choices here, and then you have opportunities to embed videos, so you can just, or you can just have the link to that, but the embed, it'll pop that in there, the video into your window. And then of course the YouTube video becomes part of your menu of external items. So lots of good features added to that. Content editor. You'll see here just some more of the common ones that you might use. And then these are some of the items that you might want to add a table or add, clear the formatting. Those are available in this three-dot menu to the left. And then there's also these menus at the top. And I really like this one, which is the ability to edit in full screen mode. And again, that's in the View menu. And you can leave that. A lot of the menu items you can do from the Insert menu if you prefer to work that way. The formatting and some different tools. Word count is right here. But you'll also note that now a lot of the tools have been moved down here. So as you type, the word count is here. It'll be this way for students too. If you want to do something in they used to call it the rich editor, this is now the raw HTML editor. So if you want to go to the coding, you click down here, and these are keyboard shortcuts and accessibility checkers. So hopefully this makes some of those changes clearer to you, and this video was helpful in clearing up some of the confusion. Thanks.